Hello aspirants, I'm your mindset coach Nivedita, mentoring students from past 12 years. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into limitless potential of your brain and mind. And if you are new here, go ahead and subscribe, ring that notification bell so you never miss tools and strategy you need while preparing for your competitive exams. For my committed subscribers, welcome back. Your journey to master your mindset and living your best life continues here. And remember, I can help you achieve your goals. How? Book one-to-one strategy sessions where I personally navigate you through your preparation. Link is in description below. What if I told you that cracking UPSC won't make you happy? Not if you hated the journey it took to get you there. Because here is the truth, nobody tells you. If you don't love the process, you will end up hating even the results. We live in a world obsessed with results. Instagram Reels shows the glamour, the uniform, the cars with the red light, the salutes, and it feels like that's the goal. But the real journey of UPSC is silent. No one shows the sleepless nights. No one shows the emotional breakdowns after yet another failed mock test. No one shows you doubting your own worth in the middle of the 10-hour study day. Many aspirants think, once I become an IAS officer, I will be happy. Once I clear prelims, I'll feel successful. But the truth is, if you don't love the grind, if you don't feel meaning in the struggle, you will burn out. Long before the results even matter. I once mentored a student named Priya. Brilliant mind, consistent, but she hated her days. Every moment felt forced. Every test was a mountain. She was doing it for her family's dream, for social status. But there was no joy, no spark, no alignment. One day she said to me, "Ma'am, I don't even like this, but I have felt trapped. I have come so far, I can't stop now." So we worked deeply on the mindset. We reconnected her with the subject she enjoyed. She started studying not to impress but to express. And guess what? She didn't just qualify prelims, she found peace in the process. That's the shift this video means to bring. Our brain is wired to crave dopamine, the chemical of reward, where we fixate only on outcomes like marks, results, job status. We trick the brain into chasing short bursts of joy, followed by the long dips of frustrations. But when you fall in love with the process, reading with curiosity, solving questions with passion, growing daily, your brain releases serotonin and oxytocin, which makes the journey emotionally sustainable. It's not about discipline versus laziness. It's about dopamine addiction versus purpose-based wiring. In our epics, we see two kinds of warriors. Karna, who fought driven by pain, wanting to prove his worth, and Arjun, who initially wanted to run but found clarity when Krishna reminded him of his dharma. Krishna says, "You have a right to your action, but not to the fruit of the action." This is not just spirituality, it's a mental freedom. When you stop obsessing over your post and start focusing on the present moment, the page in front of you, the taste you are giving today, something beautiful happens. You grow from within. Let me ask you 3 questions. First, do you feel peace at the end of your study day, even without external praise? Second, are you preparing to prove or to grow? And third, if UPSC didn't guarantee you status, would you still be on this path? Take a pause. Breathe. Let these answers rise from your heart and not from your fears. My dear aspirants, this process is the reward. If you find the joy in the process, the result will amplify your inner peace. But if you hate your days, if you feel anxious, bitter, and drained, even success will feel like a hollow medal. I'm not here to scare you, but I'm here to awaken you. Fall in love with the journey. Build a relationship with your books. Study to expand and not to impress. And if you want help realigning your mindset, if you are stuck in the cycle of force and fear, book a one-to-one strategy clarity session with me. Together, we will shift your preparation from pressure to purpose. And comment process below if this video made you reflect. Thank you.